Okay, so let's talk about the honors extension. You guys get the opportunity of looking at combined figures, but for now we're going to start with one of the other questions you're going to see in which I'm given a volume. Okay, let's just assume I'm given this volume. My volume is, 2,034.72 inches cubed. I'm given that volume. I'm given that the radius, we're talking about a cylinder. So therefore we know we're going to have to use pi because it's the circle. And we know we need to use the radius squared. And we know we need to use the height. So here's my volume. I'm given that the radius is 9 inches. Find the height. Well, you may think, oh, this is really a difficult thing to do, but quite frankly, we've done these in algebra. This is just an algebra equation that we're going to work with. So I'm given my volume, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. 2034.72 equals pi. Well, instead of pi, we're going to use 3.14 times radius. I'm told the radius is 9, so we're going to hit 9 squared times my height. Okay, so what's the next step? Well, I know that I'm going to solve for this. Well, guess what, guys? All this is some big number. So what's my coefficient? And if you remember what we do with coefficients, we need to just remove them to the other side. But we do that using division. So we're going to divide this by 3.14 times 9 squared. But we're going to do the same thing on this side. 3.14 times 9 squared. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my trusty calculator. And it says, go ahead, figure me out. It says, okay, so all I have left on this side is my h, which is what I wanted to solve for. So now I'm going to plug it in. 2034.72 divided by, and I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses around these because I haven't really multiplied them together yet. So I want to put them in parentheses. 3.14 times 9 squared. So it looks like this on my screen. I don't know how it's going to look on your screen, which calculator you're going to use, but that's mine. Looks like that. I'm going to hit enter. Oh my gosh, guess what? I found out that height is all of 8 inches. I can do the same thing if I'm finding the radius. I'll be given a height. But when I finish, I'll have radius squared equals something. And how do I do that? I simplify by taking the square root. I find out that r is the square root of whatever it is I'm looking for. Good luck. You guys got this.